We're going to be working on Sheets LBD Lesson 3.5 Copy Shop Sales. Let me say that again. Sheets LBD Lesson 3.5 Copy Shop Sales. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to merge cells A1 and B1. So I'm going to select cell A1, hold down the Shift key, select B1. I'm going to go up to the merge cells icon. It looks like two arrows pushing towards each other in a box. We're then going to change the font to be bold, and we're going to change it to be 18 points. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to change the color of day and sales to be light green. So we're going to go up to the fill color, or what I think looks like a paint bucket. We're going to change it to a light green color. We're then going to center align the word day and sales, and we're going to bold them. Next, we're going to select the data. Selecting the data includes the header rows or the titles for each row or column. And I should have said column headers because A is a column, B is a column, 1 is a row, 2 is a row. So the names for the column. So we're going to select day. I'm going to hold down the Shift key. I'm going to select 7925. We're going to go to Insert Chart. We're then going to come down here to where it says use the old chart editor. We're going to use the old chart editor. I prefer it. We're going to go to recommendations, and we're going to click on the thumbnail of the pie chart. Took me a second to remember. We're going to go to customization. We're going to change the chart title, this is the chart title right here, to Sales Week of July 6th through 12th. We're then going to change the font to be wide, and we're going to change the background color, which is right here, to light gray, the lightest gray that's available. We're going to click Update. Now, we want to put this chart on its own page. So to do this, we are going to click in the upper right-hand corner, and we're going to have 3 dots that appear. We're going to click on the dots, and we're going to go to Move to Own Sheet. We're going to notice down here that we now have Sheet 1 and Chart 3. Pay no mind to the fact that it says Chart 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to double-click where it says Chart 3. We're going to change it to Sales by Day dash pie, so we know it's the pie chart. We're also going to change sheet 1 to sales by day. So we're going to double click here. We're going to do sales by day. Alright, so we can toggle between these two, and I just realized I spelled sales wrong. You can go back and change the way that it's spelled by double clicking on it. Next, we're going to insert a new sheet. So to do that, what we are going to do is insert a new sheet. So I went to the word insert and I went to new sheet. What we're going to do is we are going to go to the sales by day sheet. We are going to select all the data, including the title, week of July 12th. We're going to go to edit. We're going to go to copy. Then we're going to go to our new sheet that we just added. We're going to go to, we're going to select A1 and we're going to click Edit Paste. Now we have the same chart here. We are going to sort the data. So what we're going to do is we're going to select A3 through B10. We're going to go to Data. We're going to choose Sort Range. And we're going to choose Data Has Header Row. So it has a title above the column and header for each one of these. We're going to change it to sales because we want to sort by the sales amount, how much money. We're going to go to Z through A because we want it to be the highest amount to the lowest amount. And we're going to click Sort. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a column chart to go with this. So we're going to go to Insert while we still have the data selected. We're going to go to Insert Chart again. We're going to use the old chart editor. we're going to go to the Recommendations tab, and we're going to select a column chart thumbnail, which we already have selected. From the Customization tab, we're going to change it highest to lowest sales. The title, let me say that again. The title is going to be highest to lowest sales. The font is going to be Tahoma. And the background color is going to be light blue 3. Now, I prefer to choose the lightest of all the colors, so I'm going to go on and choose light blue 3. We are also going to go to the legend, and we're going to change it to none. We're going to scroll down till we see axis. And right here it is. We're going to change it to we're going to change the axis labels, the slant labels. I was in the wrong place. So let me say that again. You're going to come down here to where it says axis. You're going to look for slant labels, and we're going to change it to 60 degrees. So it's changed these to be going at a 60-degree angle. We're going to select from series. So here's series. We're going to go to color. We're going to select dark red 3. So let's see which one dark red 3 is. Dark red 3. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to update it. We're going to click in the upper left-hand corner. We're going to wait for the 3 dots to appear. We're going to click on it again, and we're going to move it to its own sheet. We are going to name this chart highest to lowest sales.
Pardon the interruption, teachers. We still have room for children or families that are in need of Thanksgiving baskets. Can you guys please today, by hopefully noon, if you could think of any more students that are in need, email Yvonne Smith with students' names. We need to get these letters out to the families because the turkeys are going to be delivered to homes on Saturday. Thank you.
Sorry about that interruption. We're going to go to our sheet that we have sorted. And we are ready to turn it in. So we can go to sales by day. I believe this sheet should be called highest to lowest. So I'm going to rename this one highest to lowest. And this one's going to be a bar chart.
The name is Yvonne Allen Smith. Yvonne Allen Smith. Please send those names to Yvonne Allen Smith. Thank you.
You are now finished with this assignment. Sorry about all the interruptions. Thank you.